to refine the quota system within government jobs in Bangladesh. We wholeheartedly support the principle of justice, equality, and freedom of expression and stand in solidarity with the student seeking fair treatment and reform it. It is essential to recognize the quota-based system should not overshadow merit in public administration, as the nation progress depends on having the right people in the right position. We strongly condemn the recent brutality against peaceful protesting general students, as these actions are not only undermine democratic principle but also violation of fundamental human rights. It is critical that the voices of our youths are respected and heard. We strongly believe in the freedom of speech. Historically, students' movement in Bangladesh have played significant role in shaping our nation through their relentless and brave advocacy for the right and justice. The language movements in 1952, Liberation War in 1971, and many other occasions remind us that the students are the moral compass of Bangladesh. We call upon the authorities in Bangladesh to take immediate actions to protect the rights of the general students, ensure their safety, and stop all brutality against them. Additionally, we urge the government to engage in meaningful discussion with the students to address the legitimate concern and work towards sustainable solution.
No discussion. What discussion with the killers?
The movement has moved on.
It is moved on, but as of the yesterday night, I will strike it. Listen up. I will strike it and I will change it.
আমাদের একটা উদ্দেশ্য ছিল যে আমরা পিসফুলি করব হ্যাঁ
I will strike it.
I will take it.
Make the correction. Please silent.
We'll take it. We'll take it.
We'll take it. We'll take it now. I will strike that off now.
Thank you.
And make it correction.
Strike that off.
I will strike that off and make the correction.
Thank you.
Bangladeshi citizen, I understand the democracy and I understand the freedom of speech and your speech is heard.
Yeah.
Bangladeshi citizen living in Australia represents uncompromising support for the general students who are protesting for their rightful equality. We extend our deepest sympathies and prayer to the general students who lost their lives and their families, and for those who are wounded. We stand with you in your fight for justice and reformation of the system. In solidarity, Bangladeshis living in Australia. Copy of this letter is distributed to the Bangladesh High Commission in Canberra.
Yeah.
No, you will not tell us what to do. No, you will not tell us what to do. That they will deliver this copy to the High Commission, to the Home Ministry of Bangladesh. Regarding the proof, we also discussed about that. Nurul Alam, administrative officer, as in instruction by the High Commissioner of Bangladesh, he is here to present him.
Where is High Commissioner of Bangladesh?
High Commissioner of Bangladesh is busy with the important national matters. So he instructed this person to be with us to show that they received it cordially.